am so blessed to have so much money. I am rich. Money comes to me easily. I'm worthy of making even more money. Being successful with money is my way of life. My actions align with prosperity. I let go of all old beliefs surrounding money. There is an unlimited source of income in my life. I am open to receiving new ways of making money. Money has its roots in happiness. Money serves me. I am in control of my wealth. Having a lot of money is something that's completely natural for me. Money enhances my life's opportunities. I help others with my abundance. Money has a positive effect on my life. The more money I make, the more money I save. Being spiritual and having money can be in perfect harmony. My financial IQ improves on a daily basis. I always find more ways to create more money. Being wealthy is my way of life. I use my money to better my life and the lives of others. When I am rich, I am happy. I let go of all old beliefs about money, and I know that I deserve to have it. I am blessed to have cash in my pocket at all times.